Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone runs the required iOS and that you know the device passcode. Once done, open Settings and scroll down to find WhatsApp listed among apps. Tap WhatsApp to reveal permissions. This is where the app requests access to contacts, photos, microphone, camera, notifications, and background app refresh. You're taking control. Will disable or restrict each permission precisely. Make sure to pause on each permission so you understand why WhatsApp asked for it. Now you'll change specific permissions to stop data access while keeping core function. Tap Background App Refresh and choose Off or Wi-Fi only to prevent background data. For contacts and camera, toggle off if you don't need them. WhatsApp will still send messages but cannot access your contacts or take photos. For photos, select Selected Photos or Never to restrict library access. For microphone, leave off until you make a call or voice note, then re-enable and disable afterward to minimize exposure. Finish by reviewing notifications and cellular permissions to ensure WhatsApp isn't sending data you didn't intend. Open WhatsApp Settings Account Privacy to adjust last seen, profile photo, and status so app behavior aligns with iOS restrictions. Once done, restart your iPhone to ensure all permission changes take effect. If permissions revert or features break, recheck iOS version and reinstall WhatsApp as a last resort. Then reapply permissions deliberately and test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.